What is up, guys? I'm here with my Honda CTX 700. I've stopped at a rest stop. There's just chickens everywhere. All these birds. They just love my bike. Bark, chicken. Why did the chicken cross the road? Well, I don't know. We're just asking them to find out. I think the chickens just stand there. They're just standing there just to see if they could fulfill the prophecy of crossing the road. Let's see if I got some biscuits in here. Crumble some up. Oh, we got some grains. We got a muesli bar. Let's check all these medications in here. Sickly boy. Drumsticks. Oh, look at the claws on that. Them fighting claws. Well, that's it for today's video, guys. As usual, keep safe out there on the roads. Down 2 legs, not your head. And I'll see you guys next Tuesday. Laters. Bye-bye. Sorry about all of my foul jokes.